Farming is hard work. Growing food for everyone is a big job. Now, imagine if we had a helper, someone who could work day and night, never gets tired, and knows exactly what plants need. That's where AI comes in. AI, or artificial intelligence, is like a smart computer brain that can learn and solve problems. In farming, AI is becoming a game changer. It's helping farmers grow more food, use less water, and keep our planet healthy. AI is like having a super smart farmhand who can analyze tons of data. This data comes from things like sensors in the field, weather forecasts, and even pictures of the crops. By looking at all this information, AI can help farmers make smarter decisions about how to care for their crops. Remember those old tractors? Well, farming is getting a high-tech makeover. Smart farming uses all sorts of cool gadgets and gizmos. Drones fly over fields taking pictures with special cameras. These cameras can see things we can't, like if plants are thirsty or sick. Sensors in the ground are like little spies, checking the soil for moisture and nutrients. They send this information back to the farmer's computer, so they know exactly how much water and fertilizer to use. No more guessing games. And then there are AI-powered tractors. These tractors can drive themselves, plant seeds in perfect rows, and even spray pesticides only where needed. One of the best things about AI in farming is that it helps us grow more food using less stuff. Think about it. When crops get exactly what they need, they grow bigger and healthier. This means more food for everyone, especially in parts of the world where people don't have enough to eat. AI also helps save water, which is like liquid gold in farming. By using sensors to monitor soil moisture, farmers can give their crops just the right amount of water they need. This is super important, especially as our climate changes and water becomes more scarce. It's like giving our planet a big, refreshing drink of water.